G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at how to use the Cutout Image Maker in Canva. It's an app and it's fantastic. So without any further ado, let's get stuck straight into it. So this is the final product which we're going to attempt to replicate. So what we need to do is add a page. We'll just change this background to white for now. And we'll come over to elements, and what we'll do is I'll just use these two elements that I used before, racetrack with motion blur, add that into the page, and this one here, checkered flag waving at a car race. So check that in there. Now what I'll do is I'll just remove the background of this flag, like so. Background remover, fantastic tool, can't do without it. So check one of my other tutorials that I have used background remover in, and you'll see how much I enjoy using it. So what we need to do then is go over to apps. We need to type cutout and we'll get image cutout. So once we've got that app, we just click on it. First of all, we'll just click on this image here, click on that app, open it up, and it will have that image there as the background one. So what we need to do is just click on image and then click on this image here and use selected image, and it will show this one as the area or the image that we want to use as a cutout. So we'll just adjust this to the size of the frame, like so, for example. We'll just move that over there. You can lay it out in any way you want. And then what we do is we go add to design. And what that will do is create a cutout of the flag on the background, like you see there. So then what we do is just remove both of those. And we're going to place this around the center like so. And then we're just going to expand the corners out to meet the edges of the frame, or the page, the canvas. All right, once we've got that, we'll just click off it, check it. Yeah, once we've got that, then we come back to elements. Click on elements, and again, I'm just going to use an element I used before, checkered racing flag. So what I did was just place that around the center, like so, and expand it out to the corners or the edges of the canvas, and then duplicate that, like so, place it there, and just go layers, show layers, and we'll drag both of those to the back and just crop it, check that one, crop that one. So as you can see, we've got the two checkered flags, either top and bottom, and we've got the cutout. So if we go back to this image, what we're going to do is go to edit, and we're going to go to shadows. Now you can play around with any of the settings here, blur amount, angle, and all that sort of stuff. But just for the purposes of the tutorial, I'm just going to leave it as is, and I'm just going to expand that out just to cover over the edges of the canvas. And there you have it. That is the flags and the cutout. So now we'll just go ahead and add into this all the different elements that I've used before. So I'm just going to go to layers, show layers, and I'm going to change this to the yellow color I used. So what I did there is I just clicked on add new color, clicked on the eyedropper, and I just hovered over the yellow here. I pressed that, and that's what gave me the background color of the yellow. All right, so come back to elements, and we'll just drop in the other elements that we've used, like the flag, background remover, and just picture where I put that. which is further down here, like so. Then I'll just grab this element here, which is the race car driver, and remove background. And then I'll just expand him out like so. And drop him in and around there, like so. Then I'll go layers, show layers. I'll bring him to the back like so. And then I'll duplicate and line him up exactly over the image. And then I'll crop like so. And crop like so. And I'll just zoom in. And you can see he's behind that one and obviously behind the cutout. So everything looks good there. All right, and then it's just a matter of adding in the text. So I'm just going to come over to my other design and I'm going to highlight all of these, go layer, show layer, and I'm just going to highlight all of this here. Okay, like so. I'll grab that one as well. Just going to copy, come back to the new design and go paste. All right, so you can see my layout slightly different, but that's okay. I'll just select all of this text here. Okay, like so. And I'll just drop down the font size and reposition it there. So what I did with this font is basically just create, add text I should say, and then choose a font which is Racing Sands 1, and then I added the effect which is the outline, and then I increased the thickness on the outline and obviously just change the color to black for the outline. As you can see, added a line in there. With this one, went to effects, so use the same text and just used curve and obviously just curved it to the curve that I required. So there you have it in a nutshell, a sort of racing poster using the Image Cutout app in Canva. So hopefully you've enjoyed the tutorial, learned something. Please jump onto my YouTube channel, Fun with Canva, hit the subscribe button, the like button, notification button, and that will give you sort of the indication that I've uploaded various tutorials and whatnot. So thank you very much again. Have fun with Canva and enjoy designing. Bye for now.